A, un, the, or nothing. Hello. In this video, we're going to show you how to introduce a person or thing in a conversation with the words a, the, or nothing, and when to use them. We use the words a, un, the, or nothing to introduce things or people. Depending on which word we use, we are saying if the thing or person is known or unknown, and if it is only one or more. For example, when we say a man, we indicate that it is only one man and that we don't know who this man is. We use a only for singular, one thing or person. But when we say the man, then we know this man. We can use the for singular and plural, as in the two men. A and un are the same, but we use un when the following word starts with a vowel or muted h, for example, un-apple or un-hour. We use nothing when we talk about things in general. For example, cars have 4 wheels. We are saying that all cars have 4 wheels. We don't say the cars have 4 wheels.